everybody, Jack here with the weekly Nadex update. We'll start off with this week's news events. On Tuesday, January 16th, markets were closed Monday for the U.S., but on Tuesday, January 16th, 4:30 a.m., you have Great Britain pound CPI, and then at 12 p.m., you have S&B Chairman Jordan speaking for the CHF. On Wednesday at 10 a.m., out of the Canadian dollar, you have Bank of Canada monetary policy report, Bank of Canada rate statement, overnight rate, and then at 11:15 you're going to have the Bank of Canada press conference. So on Wednesday, a lot of news out of the Canadian dollar, and you can expect a potential move outside its average true range. Typically, when we have four big news events, you potentially have bigger moves than without those news events. At 7:30 p.m., we're going to have unemployment change and unemployment rate for the Australian dollar. And then on Thursday at 8:30 a.m., building permits out of the US dollar, followed up by crude oil inventories at 11 a.m. And then on Friday, retail sales at 4:30 for the Great Britain pound. So not too packed of a news event. Biggest news event is definitely going to be the Canadian dollar, 10 a.m. because they have press conferences and rate statements. That's always a bigger news event for the week. So this week I want to talk about gold, and I've pulled up an article here that's really from today. Today's the 15th of January, and gold imports surged 72% in December on high demand and quote-unquote weak global prices. So weak global prices is, an opinion. However, a 72% surge in imports is not opinion, that is a fact. So imports, gold surging, especially in India, which is the world's second biggest consumer of gold, I believe behind the United States. So that's something that's obviously going to affect gold prices anytime there is a import surge. That means demand is going up. So if you take a look at the gold chart, you can see that gold had a really nice move, especially on Friday. There was some US numbers in this morning. We sold off, completely reversed. And what I'm paying attention to then is if we can retest that level where we had really begun that rally from. So this is, the area where we had broken out on Friday, this 1326.3 level. You can see those were the highs on Wednesday. We broke through them and then retested them on Thursday. So this is typical resistance becomes support idea that I'm looking for in the market. So I have a support level at 1326.3, and then the other level I want to watch here is really the open area of the Sunday night futures session, which is 1336.8. So I'm going to be looking for potential longs in gold on first test only. I only like to trade when the market comes in those levels for the first time. And those levels here, 1336.8 in gold, and then below that, 1326. So that's one of the trades I'm looking at to potentially trade this week. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube Major League Trading and click the thumbs up button below, guys, because it really helps. Feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Take care and enjoy your week.